Welcome to the Dish Takeout, bringing you all the freshest restaurant news this week. I'm Lawrence Baker, Communications Director at the New Mexico Restaurant Association, and here are the juiciest bites from our newsletter in a short takeout format that's easy to digest on the go. Have you ever wondered what your NMRA membership includes? Do you want access to discounts from our vendor members? Do you like to win prizes? Then you do not want to miss out on the New Mexico Restaurant Association Spring Membership Fair Open House, May 16th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and May 17th from 1 to 5 p.m. at the NMRA offices. All attendees will receive a code for 50% off of one ServSafe Manager certification course. This is your chance to learn about the many advantages of your association membership. Use the link on the screen to register. We hope to see you all there. Don't forget, registrations for the new NMRA Hospitality Business School are now live. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? These courses are tailored to our industry and packed full of lessons to help you and your restaurant succeed. Sign up today for the early bird discount and save $200. Use the links on the screen to watch our exclusive webinar and register for this exciting opportunity today. There is still time to become a sponsor of the Fort Cancer fundraiser for the American Cancer Society. Fort Cancer is seeking restaurant sponsors for their upcoming fundraising event in June. Fort Cancer brings together Albuquerque's food, beverage, and music scene for one unforgettable night to remember. Use the link on the screen to check out creative sponsorship opportunities for your restaurant. Are you a member of NMRA? Many non-members subscribe to The Dish and follow our social media, but they're still missing out on a real seat at the table. We are only able to do all that we do through the support of our dedicated members. Don't you think it's time to support the association that protects and promotes your industry? Use the link on the screen to check out what we've been up to in the past year and learn how you can keep the momentum going by joining the NMRA today. We are stronger together. Did you know that as a member of the NMRA, you're also a member of the National Restaurant Association? One of the many perks of national membership is admission to the 2023 NRA show in Chicago, May 20th through 23rd. The National Restaurant Association has provided us with some FAQs on how to access tickets for the show. Use the link on the screen to learn more and get your complimentary tickets today. You can find all the links from the video in the description. Don't forget to check out previous episodes and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or catch us weekly on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This has been The Dish Takeout Edition for the week of May 5th. Eat up!